Hello, welcome to this video. So for the rest of this series, what I'm going to do is I have taken the 2026 board mathematics paper, 10th standard. The exam just ended yesterday. I've taken the paper set 3 because I heard set 3 is long and it was a little difficult for some people. So I've taken that paper and I will solve the paper question after question and add it to this series. So we will start with the first question today. This is from section A. The first question is one of those short answer questions. Let me read the question. The conical cavity of maximum volume is carved out from a wooden solid hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. Curved surface area of the cavity carved out is, and they're given four options. They say use pi is equal to 3.14. So the question says conical cavity. What does it mean by conical? Conical means you have a cone. Cavity. What is a cavity? Basically, anything that's a hole, that's a cavity. So in this case, let's just clear this up. In this case, they have a hemisphere. The hemisphere is part of a sphere. It's half a sphere. And inside the hemisphere, they carved out a cone, which means they have dug out a cone. And they want us to find the curved surface area of the cone. What is the formula for the curved surface area of the cone? Pi RL. R is a radius, which has been given. R is 10 centimeters. Pi is 3.14. And L is the slant height of the cone, which is this height. How do you find this height? We know the radius. We know that this is also the radius of the hemisphere. And this is also the radius. And this slant height is nothing but root of radius square plus radius square using Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degrees, right? So slant height L in this case is root of 10 square plus 10 square, which is equal to plus 100 square, and that gives you root of 200, which is 10 root 2. So L is 10 root 2 centimeters. We know R, we know L. So the curved surface area is pi RL. Pi is 3.14 into R is 10 and L is 10 root 2. Multiply that, you get 314 root 2. And obviously centimeters square. And if you look at the options above, you find that the answer is A. Okay, so what did we did? We just used the formula pi RL to find the curved surface area inside of the cone that is carved inside this hemisphere. Okay, so easy question, not very difficult. And this was, I'm pretty sure even 9th standard students know how to find the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, let us go to question 2. Okay, question 2. If AN represents the nth term of an AP means arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression that is given is minus 15 by 4, minus 10 by 4, minus 5 by 4, and it keeps on going. AN represents the nth term. The value of A16 minus A12 is what? That is the question. So if you look at this AP, the arithmetic progression, the first term or A1 is minus 15 by 4. And the difference between the terms D is, let us take the second term and let us subtract it from the first term. And you get minus 10 plus 15. Minus and minus becomes plus. So minus 10 by 4 plus 15 by 4. So this is 5 by 4. So D is 5 by 4. What is the value of the 16th term? The formula is A plus n minus 1D. N is 16, so n minus 1 is 15 into D. A is minus 15 by 4, and D is 5 by 4. So let's just keep it like this, A16. Okay, I made some space here. So this is A16. A12, what is A12? A12 is again A plus n minus 1D. A is minus 15 by 4 plus n minus 1, in this case 11, into D is 5 by 4. So A16 minus A12, A16 minus A12 equals this value, minus 15 by 4 plus 15 into 5 by 4 minus this value, or just simplify it, minus minus becomes plus 15 by 4, and this becomes 11 into 5 by 4. These two will become 0. So 15 minus 11 into 5 by 4, which is 4 into 5 by 4, which is 5. The answer is 5. So the correct answer for this question is C, 5. Okay, let's go to question 3. Meena calculates that the probability of her winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. If totally 800 tickets were sold, the number of tickets bought by her is. So Meena bought a number of tickets. Let's call that X. X be the number of tickets bought by Meena. So the probability of her winning the first prize, probability is equal to number of tickets she bought divided by total number of tickets sold. Totally 800 tickets were sold. And the probability, the question says, is 0.08. And the what we need to find out is the number of tickets bought by Meena, which is X. The X by 100 is X by 800 is equal to 0.08. That means X equals 0.08 into 800. That will give you 0.88 or 64 into 100, in 0.08 into 100, which will give you 64. 64 is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, question number 4. A camping tent in hemispherical shape of radius 1.4 meters has a door opening of area 0.5 meters square. The outer surface area of the tent equals to. So we need to find out, let's say this is a tent. This is a hemispherical tent, which is half a sphere. And the radius of the tent is 1.4 meters. This is 1.4 meters. They have a door opening of 0.5 meters square. There is a door opening. This is 0.5 meters square. The outer surface area of the tent. The CSA of the tent equals to 2 pi r square. This is the formula that we use to calculate the curved surface area of the tent. And we have to subtract 0.5 meters square because there is a opening in the tent. There is a hole here. So now substituting the values, if you substitute the values, get 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 minus 0.5. 7, this is 0.2, and 222s are 44. 44 into 0.2 into 1.4, this is 2.8, which is 0.28 minus 0.5. Let's do the calculation. So 44 into 28, let us say. 8 4 is 32, carry the 3, 8 4 is 32 plus 3, 35. and then 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5 plus 8 13, 4 plus 8 12, 12.32. So this is 12.32 minus zero point 0.5, and you will get 12.32 minus 0.5, 2, and then 8, 11.82. So 11.82 is option C. This is the correct answer. Okay, question number 5. PQ is the tangent to the circle with center O. OQ is A. So this is PQ. OQ is A. OP is A plus 2. PQ is 2B. And OQ is A. The relation between A and B equals. Okay, to find out that, we know that QOP is a right angle triangle. A tangent always cuts at a 90 degrees angle. So using the OQP triangle, you find OP is a hypotenuse. So you get OP square equals OQ square plus PQ square. So OP is how much? A plus 2 the whole square equals OQ square is how much? A square the whole square. OQ square is A square. PQ square is 2B the whole square. Simplifying it, A square plus 4A plus 4 equals A square plus 4B square. This and this will go away. So I get 4B square equals 4A plus 4, and you divide it by 4, you get B square is equal to A plus 1. B square is equal to A plus 1 is option D, is the correct answer. Okay, so we have solved 5 questions in this video. We will continue with the 6th question from tomorrow.